Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the Gibby Gets It channel. In today's video, it's going to be more of a just shop update. I know I'm doing a lot of updates. It's fine. The content will come. It's just right now, I'm trying to start the channel. Like right now, I am cleaning up the shop. There was a whole bunch of stuff right there. And then I need to just work my way all the way around. It's gonna take a lot of time, but you know, that's all I have. Except I do gotta go to work, but you know, I've got every morning free, so I'm going to be trying to crank out on this shop, trying to get it done, trying to have the best shop I could possibly have to crank out this content and, you know, see where it takes me. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just cleaning out this old bin. Had a whole bunch of bolts in it. Those are just gonna go to the scrap pile. And then I'm just gonna try to get at least this area pretty darn clean. Then I gotta sweep the whole shop. But what I'm gonna be doing is taking the MG and I'm putting it right over there. So then it finally has a spotlight to be worked on. I did order the wrong water pump. So right now the car is torn apart and it does not have a water pump, but that water pump's supposed to be in pretty sure on Monday. So I want to say Tuesday. If it does come in Monday, I will be dropping a video on the MG and basically like how to replace a water pump. And then time to see if that old girl still starts and runs. And then it's time for a test drive. Yo, what's up guys? I actually got back from work just now and I decided that I should probably start cleaning up the shop a little more because I want to speed up the process. Right now, what I'm doing is taking all this old fertilizer and I'm throwing it onto the burn pit, but taking all this old fertilizer out of here. It's kind of stained in the ground a little bit, but that's fine. I'm coming in with a power washer. I'm power washing this whole floor, and then I'm gonna be painting it, maybe epoxying it. And it gets a little tricky. I'm not too educated on doing that. So, I don't know. There's two options, but getting all this fertilizer out, and then probably just gonna start on this whole side right here. Start cleaning this all up. But that's where I'm at right now. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so last night I did stop right here. I got it all cleaned up. That's all I cared about. So got all that. Now this morning I've been working on this stuff all right here. So hopefully by the end of the day, this is all cleaned up and swept. And then it's time to start on this stuff. So this is the easy side. That over there is going to be the harder side because there's a lot more heavy things over there. But once this is all cleaned out, it's time to get that pressure washer in here, pressure wash and clean the concrete, and then time for paint. And I'm going to be painting it in sections, but you know, this is going to be one to keep up. Alrighty, I did finally get a decent amount clean, got a whole bunch of stuff moved over here. So now all that is open. Then I gotta worry about all that stuff and then where to put all this. But I think that does it for the first video on the shop cleanup, I should say. So you keep updated on the whole process with this shop. So I'm gonna probably be posting 1 to 2 videos a week on this, and also I'll be posting car content, so plenty of content to come. Please stay updated with the channel. Please like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next one. Peace.